Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to thread a needle. Okay, so here I have regular black thread. I'm just going to take some off. And you can really just do it like all based on how much thread you want. I know my hair is a mess. Cut the thread. Then you take your needle and stick it through the hole, like so. Pull it all the way through. Okay, so once you have pulled it all the way through, you're gonna have two ends like this. You want to just wrap it around your finger. 1, 2. I usually do 2 or 3 times, and then just roll it. Roll, 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 and that creates the little knot. And then you just pull it down, and then you have your knot. Sometimes I like to cut the knot just because it's a little big and I don't want to sew that onto whatever I'm going to be sewing. So I just snip like that. And there we have a knot.